This is Eroy English Broadcast. Eroy English Broadcast presents African Values.
Be welcoming. Do you like it when someone tells you to stop disturbing them simply because you ask them a question? Have you ever felt uncomfortable because someone did not respond to your warm greeting or made you feel not welcome? Do you sometimes make people feel not wanted? It's bad manners. Even when you don't feel like receiving a visitor, make them feel welcome with a warm smile. Be welcoming by listening to those who need your attention and by being hospitable. Don't give people the impression that you don't want them around you, especially when they are well behaved. Speak right. Your accent is your asset.